are you doing? What are you doing?
I'm healing this
Remember, little one, kindness and courage will always light your way, even in the darkest times.